To use the Tronsmart Onyx Free is actually very easy. First, make sure to fully charge the case and the earbuds before first time use. Now, let's connect to our device. Open the cover of the charging case. When the left earbuds flash red and blue, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Find Tronsmart Onyx Free and tap to pair. Wait for a few seconds and they will be connected. You will notice the indicator light goes off on both earbuds after the pairing is successful. Now move to the gesture control. You can tap once on either of the earbuds to play or pause music. Tap twice on the right earphone to turn up the volume. Tap twice on the left earphone to turn down the volume. Tap 3 times quickly on the right earbuds to switch to the next track. Tap 3 times quickly on the left earbuds to switch to the previous track. When it comes to the phone call, you can tap once on either of the earbuds to answer or end the call. Or tap and hold for 2 seconds on either of the earbuds to reject the phone call. Notice that Onyx Free also supports voice assistant. Just tap and hold for 2 seconds on the left or right earbuds to activate. Just in case some unknown issues happen, you can reset the earbuds with ease. Unpair the Tronsmart Onyx Free on your device's Bluetooth list first, then tap and hold the button on either of the earbuds for 5 seconds to power them off, then tap and hold the button on the left or right earphone for 8 seconds until the red and blue lights flash rapidly. Now you're ready to connect to a device at the steps we mentioned above. Easy peasy. Oh, by the way, you can use either of the earbuds independently. After pairing with the device successfully, you can take the left or right earbuds out of the charging case for the mono listening experience.